One hand, one fist, we start to build. With the strength of our fathers, the dreams we fulfill. Kutoka milima mpaka bahari, tunaungana sasa, tusiwe na hatari. One movement, one heart, a continent reborn from the ashes of the past. A brand new dawn, wealth reborn in every hand we hold. A story of power, a story untold. Piece by piece, let the spirit of unity never cease. Kila hatua, kila ndoto tunayota, ni kwa ajili ya kesho tunapopita.